friends, this is Starla here. We have had our first freeze here in Allen, Texas, and so my wonderful husband Roy and his boys put together a greenhouse.
Let me show you how I built this. Okay, so you'll want to start with somewhat of a level surface. You'll lay down your landscape timbers all the way around your perimeter. You'll want to pretty much frame up everything first before you put down the sheathing plastic. I've got 3/4 inch PVC here that I'm using for my hoop over the greenhouse. This is about 6 foot wide by 20 foot long, and I used a paddle bit down in these landscape timbers, and it was probably about an inch paddle bit that I used, 1.1 because I didn't want to fight with sticking down the PVC into the landscape timber. So you'll want to make sure that that hole is a little bit bigger when you sticking your PVC into your frames. I have a 2x4 up here running along the top for the hoops to stick into. So now let's talk about the plastic sheathing. We had to build this up against an existing fence, so I actually put this plastic piece up first before I did any of the framing. So this part you'll probably want to get another set of hands with you to help you manage this plastic. This roll of plastic was 10 foot by 100 foot, so you're going to have to cut it per your structure. You'll want to get up here to the top. Now along this frame that we framed, we'll staple down the plastic with a little air gun, a little air compressor gun. And I have these little battens that I go to put on top of this plastic to hold it in place a lot better. That way, when we get down to the bottom, we can pull this and stretch and taut. That way it's real tight and water runs off. So here I'm going to show you where you can see how I constructed applying the battens down to the top of the plastic to sandwich this in to create the seal. And this is the same procedure all the way around this.
In addition to the materials that we mentioned, of course you'll need like the standard building supplies that you'd use on any construction project, but it's really that simple to put together a greenhouse and very, very affordable. So we hope that you've enjoyed this video and that you find it helpful, and we hope to see you around the Roost.